Alternative energy is like renewable resources that are like stuff that you can get from the earth and the, like natural resources, stuff like that. Yeah. We use this on the solar panel so that when we charge it up and then
water runs into the cell.
In the fuse cell, and then it powers it, and then this thing powers this thing, and then it starts
voltage charge right here goes to the motor and makes it
like this.
pretty much we use light for solar panels, hence the name solar panel. So you just put light over it and it works.
So like you get one red wire and one black wire, and then
What happened to the red wire? What did you do with the red wire?
It's right here.
Yeah, you keep the red
And
wire.
then you put the red wire onto the red circle. And you unplug this. And you plug this back in. Put it under here. The water will start bubbling, and that's when it's like working. And yeah, it starts to charge. It charges it. It takes like 20 minutes to charge, and then it goes for 30 seconds.
Oh, 4 seconds actually. It was pretty easy to build. The instructions were made for like a 5-year-old, so you know they're pretty easy to follow along with. Can't complain, not too hard, but
Easier than a Lego set.
easier than a Lego set.